Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a little project share. This is actually a 3D sewing machine, you guys. This is so cute. And I used the new Maggie Holmes collection garden party paper to, embellish and finish it off. This was following Christian's Crafty Adventure here on YouTube. She has a little tutorial on this. I think this is copying the Lori Whitlock file, but Christian's video, she has another piece to the bottom of this, but I'm a lazy crafter. I didn't want to have to make another box, so I didn't do that part. And I left it smaller so that I can ship this easier in the package that it's going to go in. So this is it. I did a shaker on the very front paneling piece. I love this little lace detail die, you guys. I'm obsessed from Allie, so I kind of just left it on there and let it fan up a little bit on the corners, and I had to, trim it off there. And then I have it down here as well. And then I added this cute little cluster with some chipboard pieces and sprigs, some faux leaves. And then my friend Christina gifted me this like fancy, I don't even know what this is, but it's a rosette, and it's mimicking the knob on like a sewing machine. I stitched all the panels. I have a little handmade with love. And then I had this little spool bobbin wood thing. This was gifted to me, and I just put some like ribbon around it to let it hang and look kind of, like when a bobbin goes crazy and the thread's all there. And then I added this little piece right here, just kind of like how the string would go across. This pocket does open up, so I couldn't tie the string across, and I didn't realize that till after. I added a little needle, and then I did some like faux string thread look, Then I added a little plate down here at the bottom, a like metallic gold, and just finished it off kind of like the base plate on your sewing machine. And then because this was like a sewing machine, I just stuck with like flat basic embellishments. These are little sewn paper strips with some flower, a bunch of them in there, gold trim that I glued to the top of it once I was done. That's following Melissa, who is the Vintage Goose. That's her tutorial. Ooh. And then this opens up. I did order some pull handles from AliExpress, but I don't have them yet, but I'm going to add the little handles right here. And then so this opens up, and in this little pocket I have nothing but stitched a bunch of stitched words in like cute spring words. So it says spring, bloom, flourish, grow, and there's like one more word. Oh, shine. I think shine. Shine is the word. Super cute. Used all of the same, papers and stuff in here. With all the little strings left over, she can cut those off or leave them on, whichever she prefers. And then in this bottom one, again, I need to add the little like pools so I don't ruin this anymore. I made this little poker. This is following Serenity Creations tutorial. Look how stinking cute. Did all the little beads. These spacers were gifted to me. This little charm was gifted to me by Cruz. This little charm was gifted to me. This bow was gifted to me, but I kind of just stabbed through the bow, the poker tool through this bow, following Jazzed Up Crafts. She had a bow, so I was like, you know what, let me stab a bow. And it's just very Maggie Holmes like carousel looking kind of, especially with this candy piece from Michaels. It is so cute. And I don't use E6000. I use Martha's Creations. This is like a knockoff of that, what's that goopy glue? I can't think of the name, but it's the same exact stuff. Liquid silicone. So that fits perfect in this little compartment. I'd probably add tissue paper and stuff just so it looks a little bit more put together. But yeah, that is my cute little sewing machine. Going to my swap partner, and I hope that she loves it. All right, bye guys. I will catch you on the next crafty video.